I just bought it and came out the store. See, I'm taking the wrap off. First time, bro. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Wiz, man, and I'm back with another video. And you see where I'm at. You see it, you see it, you see it. Just got the 12 Pro Max, man. We're gonna do a little unboxing of it. First, I gotta go to Target right quick. Gotta grab a few things. Finally got it, man. Even though it wasn't hard to get it, but I went to the store and Best Buy, they had ran out before I got there or whatever. I just happened to be in the area, man, and I saw AT&T, and I was like, "Hey, man, do y'all got the iPhone Pro Max?" He was like, "Yeah, we got they only got one left. They had the blue one, 256 gigabyte iPhone 12 Pro Max, and the only reason why I'm upgrading is because I always give my sister my old phone. It sucks because, you know, I could have got $700 off of the phone if I would have traded in this one, because I don't really keep multiple phones. I just have one. Other than that, yeah, that's the only reason why I'm upgrading, really. First, I'm gonna go in Panera Bread, get me something to eat. Then I'm gonna go to Target, and then we're gonna do an unboxing, man. So I'll get back with you guys in a minute. Some mac and cheese, a little sandwich, and we're about to see how it tastes. Man, look at this. Crazy. Looks good. Try this mac and cheese. Alright. Sandwich good though, for sure. I'll get back with y'all in a minute, man. So you see it heading to Target. I don't even know exactly. I can't remember exactly what I needed, but going here right quick. Grab a few fruits or whatever else I need, man. But yeah. Hit you guys in a minute. No problem. Yes, no problem. Merry Christmas. Have a good one. What it is, man, it's your boy Wiz, and I'm back. Told you I'm about to do one. So here it is, man. iPhone 12 Pro Max. Shoot, what can I say, man? This is my 11. This is my 11 Pro Max right here. So we're about to do an unboxing, man, real quick. And see what's up. So it's thinner than my old box. I wish I had my other box, man. I don't have it with me right now, but here it is. Real thin box. So this time around, the only thing that comes in the box this time is, you're gonna have to see. So this is a true unboxing. Like, I didn't even open it yet. I took it out the store and, you know, I just bought it and came out the store. See, I'm taking the wrap off. First time, bro. This is my first time seeing it, and this y'all first time seeing it with me. So here we go. You can open it up like that, and voila. So nothing there. So this time around, man, every time I always change the colors up. This time around, I got the blue, and man, this blue is, look at that, man. Look at that. Yeah, this blue is crazy. Something different, man. I always go with the, you know, the darker colors. I always get like a you know, a black, or see, with this one right here was like a like a what's this called? Granite or whatever. I don't know. Not granite, but like a charcoal color, man. I don't know. So this was the one I had, charcoal color with the black face. So this one is, oh wow, look at that. Look at that. Okay, that's for people that don't have the iPhone. But all right, here we go. So this is how it looks, man. All right, here it is. So as you know, of course, the basic instructions. Do they have stickers this time? Yeah. Of course, they got to do their one sticker or whatever. They usually have more than that. But here's the charger. Now, my sister told me something new. I never knew with the iPhone 11 Pro that this right here, well, I ain't gonna open it, but it has a different end. I didn't know that because I always use my old chargers. Man. So I didn't even know that. There it is. I didn't know that it had the other end. I mean, basically, I'm sure under here is the instructions, or is it? It don't feel like it. Oh no. So yeah, what I was saying, I didn't know that it had I didn't know it had this one on the 11 Pro. Nah, it ain't nothing else in this box. That's it. Dang, they getting thinner and thinner, y'all. What's going on? They getting thinner and thinner. What is this? Oh, this is to take my SIM card out. So there's a little piece right here. Yeah. So here's the piece right here to take your SIM card out. But I don't think I need to. We about to find out right now though. So here's the front of the phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this plastic off, and voila, man. Let's go ahead and turn it on for the first time. Turn this bad boy on for the first time. It look almost like the last one. Let's see. Yeah, they look almost alike, bro. Yeah. And as far as the size go, shoot, yeah, the Pro Max is a couple. The 12 is like a couple inches, like an inch bigger. That's about it. I think it's 6.5 is my old one, and this one is 6.7, so you know, 0.2, whatever. But so while I wait on this, he said I can hold it together like this, and it'll transfer everything to this new phone. So I never did that before. Let's go see. English. Quick start. Use cellular connection. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. So I don't know if it's Bluetooth. I don't know if it's Bluetooth like or what. Let's see. Alright. Of course, you know the regular privacy data and all this stuff. Face ID. Let me set this up. So I'm about to set up the Face ID right quick, y'all. Let me go ahead and do that. There it is. First Face ID set up. Move your head in a complete slow motion. Got it. Face ID is set up. See, just that simple, just that quick. What's next? Create a password. I don't do the 6 password like everybody else. I do 4. I do the 4-digit password, man. That's how I do mine. And you can't see it. Sorry. There it is. So it's waiting. There it is. Transfer directly from. Oh, okay, here it is. So you got it's asking me how I wanna do it. So of course I'm gonna do the transfer directly from the iPhone, and I'm about to see how this thing works, man. Oh, there it is. Pop right up. That's crazy. That's wild. Unlock and continue. Yep, there it is. Oh shoot, my email showing. Yep. Hold your new phone up to the camera. Hold your new phone up to the camera. Okay. Position the pattern in the circle. Oh, okay. So I got to position the pattern in that circle right there, and it did it. Did it so darn fast, man. Darn it. Your account is protected with a password. Your iPhone. Alright. Put my password in. It's asking me again. My bad, y'all. Alright. So it's asking me for Wi-Fi. Transfer data from Leroy's iPhone. It said it'd take an hour. Let's see. I gotta see. Oh, excuse me. Alright, so it's setting it up, man. So I'll get back with y'all once it's done. I don't know how long this thing gonna take, but I'll get back with you in a minute. So right now, it's transferring, man. So I don't, like I said, I don't know how long it'll take. It don't tell me. It just say time remaining. So in the meantime, I got some accessories with it. So I got the 10-foot bad boy. It had a deal going on. If you buy, of course, if you buy 2 items, you get the third one free. So let me clean this up right quick. Let me get all this stuff out of the way right quick. I mean. So I got the charger. I got a glass protector, and it's lifetime. So every time my screen crack, man, I done changed this screen on my old one. I done changed this one so many times. Like, man, it's a lifesaver, y'all. So I got the glass protector, just like I got on my old one, and I got the I just got a clear case for right now. I don't know if I get another gift. Of course, see, this was a gift. You know, I'm an Eagles fan, man. If you don't know, I am. And this was a gift from my mom, so can't use this no more. So I'll just keep it as a souvenir somewhere. So yeah. So right now, man, now I say an hour. So right now I'm just waiting on this thing to go through and transfer all this data, bro, and I'll get back with y'all, man. So while I wait on that, I'm gonna go ahead and put the screen protector on. I'm gonna show you how to do it, man. It's real easy. So they make it real easy now, so they don't even have to do it. So you know, you don't have to get it done in the store. So what you do is you wipe it off with this fiber cloth, and then you of course you get all the fingerprints off. It's not that much on here, but get the fingerprints off. Now they got little they got like sticky pads, and then they got the white right here where you can wipe this off. But with that being said, I don't have to do that due to the fact that it's brand spanking new, so it really don't have nothing on it. So this come inside of the box now. This is what make it so easier, man. Hold on, let me make sure no. Make sure it ain't nothing on there now before I do this. Make sure it ain't a little lint. Alright, so alright, look perfect actually. So I take this, you take this. Darn it. and you of course you line up where the mouthpiece is. Hold up, I see something. That's why I be fanning this, because I want to make sure all the lens off. So alright, cool. So you take this and you just place it on here, man. Dang, every time I look at something on it. Alright. OCD, y'all, OCD. So I take this and make sure to write in on it first. Alright, you take this and you just slap it on here like this. Boom, right? Then you take this screen protector. Here it is. Take it out the little sleeve right here, man. And it'll tell you this end first. See with that one? You peel that off first. You peel this off. And you just make sure that you got the, so you got to make sure this right here is where the earpiece go at, because if not, you got it upside down. Slap this bad boy on here like this right here. Oh shoot, can't see it, my bad. Slap it on here like that. It usually, you know, it do all the work for you basically. There you go. Look at that, boom. Use some pressure. You feel me? Gotta use some pressure on them. Slide that bad boy off like that. Boom. And shoot, it's over with. See how fast that was? Not a bubble in sight, bro. Not a bubble. And there it is. Look like a look factory. So ever since they did that, man, put this on. This right here is this. OCD people, this right here is what it is. This is what you need. At least it come in there now. So you slap that bad boy on there, man. Slap this screen protector on it, and it's over with. Now, here's the case. I like my cases real simple. Like my old cases was like this too, but like I said, I got a gift from my mom, so I had to slap that on there. So it's real simple, man. Simple, straight to the point. I like to show my phone. A lot of people use the big old outer box. I did that when I first got iPhone, like years ago. But I like showing my phone, so look at that. Ooh, oh, fingerprints. But yeah. So it's real simple to the point, man. Look at that. Look at that. Feels good too. And I got something in this darn. I gotta take it off. I got something in it, so I gotta take it off. And that's basically it. So now I'm just waiting on this thing to finish so I can show y'all that finished product, man. So I'll get back with y'all in a minute. And there it is, guys. All done. Yes, sir. We in this thing. And all I gotta do now is just download all my apps back. And that's it, man. This your boy Wiz, and I'm out of this thing. You dig?